Hi everyone, as we promised, we'll come back with some more for you around the Nokia 808 PureView. So we've got some image samples that we clicked a short while back, and we thought we'd share them with you because they turned out to be really amazing. So let's just actually take you through. As we know, the phone sports a 41 megapixel camera sensor and allows you to downsize images that can go down till 8, 5 or 3 megapixels. So let me just quickly show you some of the results that we've got with the images that we've captured. So this is one of the images we captured, which is a bokeh shot here, where the subject is in focus just as it should be, while everything else at the back is blurred, just like you'd expect in a good bokeh shot. Also, anything near the focal area is also blurred out with only the subject highlighted. Moving on, let's just look at a few more pictures. So this is a great nighttime shot. This has been taken in Connaught Place, and you can actually see how clearly everything is visible here without any issues. You can also zoom in. Obviously, being nighttime and with my amateur skills, there's not a lot of clarity which is visible in the images, but as I get comfortable with it, I'm sure I'll be able to pull out better samples. This is also a wonderful night shot taken with the oncoming traffic. So great, clarity here and visibility. This is also one that we captured in the night, and trust me, it's not as lit up as it actually looks out to be in the images. Also, close-up shots is something which the 808 PureView does extremely well. So if you actually want to close up, you want a close-up image of a device in focus near the phone, you can probably keep the device and click a picture. And as you look at everything in the background, it's all blurred, just as you'd expect it to be. You can also have the close-up, object out of focus and focus on far-away objects. So this basically gives you a bokeh effect, blurring out the nearby objects. And this is another sample that we just captured where everything, including the phone in focus, is visible with a lot of clarity, and everything beyond it is blurred as just you would expect it to be. Let's just move on and look at a few more shots that we captured. So this is another shot that we captured which highlights the in-depth clarity. You can actually see the thorns on this aloe vera plant right here, wherein when you zoom out, you see it's actually a very small part of the picture. So you can zoom in, even see the patterns or any twigs, etc., lying around, which is great for any camera phone. Also, there are a few other shots that we've been able to capture. Let's just take a look at them here as well. So yeah, this is one shot that we captured in the morning. So while out in the park, I clicked a few pictures, and obviously this seems like an ordinary image right now, but if you zoom into it, you'll actually be able to see three squirrels here playing near some water, which is remarkable because when you zoom out and you actually see the squirrels are not even they're barely visible in this image right here. There are some other shots that we were also able to capture here. So for example, this close-up shot once again, where the lid on this bottle is very clearly visible. However, in the back, we've been able to successfully blur out everything with the Nokia 808 PureView's camera. And obviously decent performance in flash as well. You can actually read the sensor, what's written on it is clearly visible. Carl Zeiss 41 megapixel camera sensor, so which is also a great thing, such as the clarity it provides. And again, you have perfect bokehs coming out of this device, where you can focus on the object as required with absolute clarity, and everything else in the background would be blurred just as you'd want it to be. Also, I haven't been able to capture any videos as yet, but let's just go to the video mode. Obviously, this also allows you a lot of creative options. The good thing here is that you can choose the kind of shooting mode you'd like, and in full high definition video. You actually can zoom up to 4x, which is remarkable for a camera phone without any optical zoom. Let me just quickly check the settings here. So this one is on full HD. We've got 4x zoom here in lossless quality. If I probably go down till 720, I get a zoom of 4x. So I can probably zoom into anything there without any loss and shoot great videos. And if I move down to the bare minimum 360p, I can actually zoom in about 12x, 12 times, to capture what I want on the Nokia 808 PureView. Just a bit of loss, just a bit of noise creeping in here, but otherwise perfect images here achievable with the Nokia 808 PureView. So that's a very short update for you on what the imaging and video features are like. And by the way, every video that you shoot on the Nokia 808 PureView captures audio in Dolby 5.1, so you've got absolutely wonderful and clear audio tones. So we'll bring you more shortly. This is it for right now.